In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start copy trading on Exness. Start by opening your web browser and searching for the official Exness website. Before you proceed, double-check that you're on the legitimate site by looking for a secure connection and the correct domain. This helps you avoid phishing pages and keeps your account safe. Once you've confirmed it, click through to open the website. Next, create your account. Select your country of residence, enter your email, and set a strong, unique password. Use a password manager if you can, and keep your login details private. After submitting your details, you may be asked to verify your email and, depending on your region, provide identity verification to comply with regulations. This is normal and helps protect your account and funds. Before you can start investing, you'll need to deposit money into your Exness main account. You can do this from the deposit section in your personal area on the website or directly within the social trading app. Make sure you're depositing into the correct account and currency to avoid conversion fees. Deposits often need to come from payment methods in your own name, and processing times can vary by method and region. Choose a funding option that suits you, such as bank cards, e-wallets, or cryptocurrency. Check for any fees, minimum deposit amounts, and estimated processing times before confirming. If you use cryptocurrency, verify the network and wallet address carefully. Crypto transfers can't be reversed. For cards and e-wallets, ensure the billing details match your account. Once you're in the social trading app, you'll see a list of strategy providers, experienced traders you can copy, along with their performance statistics. Take your time to review the metrics. Look at historical returns, maximum drawdown, risk level, how long the strategy has been running, and the number of investors. Read the strategy description to understand the trading style and instruments used. Remember, past performance does not guarantee future results, so focus on consistency and risk control, not just high returns. When you've found a strategy provider you're comfortable with, open their profile and tap. Start copying or create an investment. Choose how much you want to allocate and review any available settings, such as whether to copy only new trades and any protective options like an equity stop. Check the profit-sharing percentage and when fees are charged. Confirm your investment, and you'll start mirroring the provider's trades automatically. From there, monitor your investment in the app. You can add funds, pause copying, or stop at any time. Trade responsibly, diversify where possible, and only invest what you can afford to risk.